Hi, my name is Hugh from Mini Specialist. Today I'm going to talk about the heating system in a Mini F Series. So this is a Mini Cooper 2015 and it has dual climate control. And the problem with the car was that it was pushing out hot air even though you're asking for cold. So this is the heater box from inside the car. This is the vent at the top of the dash, and this is all tucked away under your feet, or to the left of the driver's feet, and obviously to the right of the passenger seat. And this is the temperature control unit. So this would be the temperature which you dial. And when you turn this knob here, that motor turns a flap. And when this one is the left-hand side, that turns this flap. What had happened on our car over there is that this flap motor wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. So we're getting constant hot air inside the car. So let's have a closer look. As you can see, this is a major job. I've had to take the dashboard out, which means a lot of work even to get to this point. And now the next job is to take this crash bar out, but our problem lies all the way down here, and that's where the motor, that's the actual motor, and you can see that's the drive, and it should go on a spindle there, but the spindle's dropped through to the inside, which renders this completely useless. So I've got to take the whole unit out and replace it. That helps you identify why this is occurring. This isn't a how-to video today. This is just really to show you what can go wrong and how to fix it. And as you can see, it's pretty major. You've got to change this. Now, I bought this second-hand from LA Mini. LA Mini are a Sheffield-based mini breakers yard, and I buy a lot of stuff from them, being a mini specialist myself. And they ripped this out of the car for me and sent it off. Next day delivery. So that's it for now.